मिडिल वेट में हुआ, आप लोग भी क्या करते थे, बंद कर देते ना, कर देते कि नहीं? यार मेरी 4 साल की मेहनत थी, मैंने वाइंड अप नहीं करा, फिर मेरे सर ने थोड़ी सी हिस्ट्री देखी, फिर मुझे मालूम पड़ा सर तो टेक्निकल बैकग्राउंड है, हाइड्रोलिक डिपार्टमेंट तो मुझे आता ही नहीं है, ठीक है? मैं तो रिलैक्स चलो सर थोड़ा और एक फिर मिला आईटी के डॉक्टर
how to come out with the research. Now I will hand over to the discipline.
Every day there are more than 200 patents are going to be published every day. IIT of Delhi, IIT of entire India is having every year they patent around 200 patents. They get a patent. But whether they are going to make it commercialized or not, that matters a lot. In the case of KNMID, the sir asked about the any kind of research development facility present in this college. I would like to offer a particular small technology system about what we are doing in our laboratory. We are having a small innovation incubation center where we offer them entire laboratory along with the expertise, along with the essential equipment to the people. I would offer you opportunity to you all if you are having the idea, any kind of mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, computer science, everything. If you have an idea, we are digging behind the resources where you can get the idea implemented to. Please contact us. We will help you out in every single possible manner. And I would like to offer this particular opportunity to sir so that they can consider this opportunity to make this college as a particular research facility. Apart from this, we have around 6 years experience in the field of R&D commercialization. We have commercialized 3 research topics till now. There are the research in the field of environment science, that was biogas production plant system. We have implemented in with the help of CREDA. CREDA is Chhattisgarh Research Development Agency. So we are having 3 more research laboratories also there is a supporting methods like DRDO, MNRA, IRCTC. I would like to offer you all that if you are having any idea which you think that it is sustainable and it is a sustainable world, you can join us. We will help you out. We will help you out to implement the idea in the reality. We will help you out to legalize the idea. We will help you out to commercialize.
And thanks for the input. If any audience is, if they want to give any suggestions,
industrial training, so that they from the beginning they can know the industry environment, the business environment, the trade for which we want to trade them. So such kind of the proposal we should make for the sustainable development of management education in the future.
of these 2 days conference, I can observe the participation. Again, I am extremely happy. Don't leave the hall till the being suggested by the panel members. If you get product cost benefit ratio. For a sustainable development, this is not sufficient. I want to make a statement whether it is industry or anything for that matter. Any research, if it has to sustain for a longer time, it should be beneficial to the society without harming the existing environmental status. Unless otherwise we keep our environment status intact, any research for that matter, it cannot sustain. We can make huge profit for a short time, but after 1 or 2 years, suffers the society. Or any other radiations or side effects, if it is a medicinal issue. I can mention so many examples for cutting down the cost. We come up with so much of research work. We spend 5 years, 6 years, and finally the product is out. We get patents. It is also introduced into the market. People also buy. After 10-15 years, you start realizing it is going to lead to so much of side effects. Well, thank you.
Can a clap be coming? Thank you sir for being a judge.
And Director Dr. Kinmite, all the faculty members and my dear students, I am here to present the conference report for these 2 days, the ICET-FCM 2016 conference report. Welcome of the guests and on the dais. The dais was shared by Chief Guest Professor K.K. Biswas, IIT Delhi, Guest of Honor Professor D.K. Awasthi, IUSC New Delhi, and the patrons were Vice President Captain Rajiv Saxena, Administrator Mr. Meghraj Sharma, Registrar Shri U.N. Mishra, Director Professor Dr. P.M. Rishikesha, Dr. K. Booth Foundation, and the Director is from Dr. Kinmite. The welcome address was given by Dr. Nisha, conference introduction by the convener, address by the Director was ahead, then a vote of thanks was delivered by Professor A.K. Verma. The technical expert talk, Professor K.K. Biswas presented on CCTV surveillance and cloud computing. Professor D.K. Awasthi talked upon nanotechnology. Then we had the sessions on 23rd of April. There were total 6 concurrent sessions, CSIT 4 and applied and mechanical and chemical 2 sessions were there. The closing ceremony was held with the prize distribution ceremony for best paper presentation. For CS and IT, it was given to Aishwarya Srivastava, Supriya, Rashmi Pooja, Aparajita and Ekta Sengar and Ajit Pratap. For applied science and mechanical and chemical, it was given to Umang, Ranveer and Shishir, Harshanyan and Abhishek and Dr. Shashi Babu. On 24th, that is today, we had technical experts Professor N.P. Padhi, IIT Roorkee, and we talked upon demand side management using smart grid technology. Then we are still having Professor Ramnekar from IIT Roorkee, and he has talked upon attributes required by industry from business and engineering graduates. The sessions held today are electrical, electronics and communications and renewable energy. Total 2 sessions, management 1 session, CSIT 1 and applied science, mechanical and chemical 1 session. The panel discussion that we just had, the members included Dr. Santosh Ramnekar, DOMS IIT Roorkee, Professor Dr. P.M. Rishikesha, Dr. Kinmite, Director, Mr. Narayan Bharadwaj, Engineer Balram Bharadwaj and Professor Varshini, HV Mechanical, Dr. Kinmite. The crux of the panel discussion that was held on sustainable development says that teaching, training, research and consultancy are the key focus areas for any academic institution to become sustainable. Happiness is the way for successful life. Earning for a teacher is the success of his or her disciples. So dream big and aim high and achieve your dreams. Research findings must be helpful to the society and must fetch earnings to the researcher. Recognize the value of your research and channelize it in right direction. Awareness about intellectual property rights is must to make the Indian researcher the owners and implementation of their own research. Now the valedictory ceremony, we had the prize distribution ceremony, the best paper presentation award, CSIT, it was given to Shubham Singh, applied mechanical and CHE to Adar Iqbal, EE, ECE and RE to Narayan and Balram Bharadwaj and Shreyam Devedi. The highlights of the conferences, total abstracts and papers received were 169. Reviewers, total 15 reviewers dedicatedly reviewed each and every paper. Total abstracts and papers accepted were 115. The technical experts were 4 and from IITs and Research Center. Registrations held were total 145 and the best paper presentation awards that we have just finished, I have not written here. Total 7 we have given yesterday and today we have given away 5. Okay? So thanks for joining ICU. Thank you.
Express my gratitude and thanks to our Honorable President Dr. D.K. Modi for his enormous cooperation in the organization.
in organizing